All right, Sandra, thank you. Well, raising awareness and providing education to caregivers and providers of those taking care of people suffering from Alzheimer's. Tomorrow is the Alzheimer's Community Cares Conference, the education conference in Palm Beach Gardens. And joining me now to talk more is Alzheimer's Community Care and Vice President of Education and Quality Assurance. We have Dr. Karen Gilbert with us. Dr. Gilbert, thank you so much for being here. Let's talk first about the organization and what you guys do.
We do some amazing things. We are in our 28th year. We are the largest single provider of dementia-specific services in Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie counties, and not-for-profit.
And what does that mean? What do you guys do?
What we are doing is caring for the family. Care for those with Alzheimer's really needs to be family-centered. So we provide services that support the caregiver as well as the patient. We operate 11 specialized day centers for patients throughout the 3 counties.
Wow, I mean, so often when you're a caregiver, the focus is so much on the patient,
Absolutely.
right? And sometimes, yeah, the caregiver needs some support as well.
Caregivers have incredible burden in this journey, which can be many years. And we know to keep the family together in the community, we must care for both.
And you have a conference happening tomorrow, the 25th annual.
It is our 25th. It is our largest event of the year, and it's extraordinary. We have attendees that are about half family caregivers and half healthcare professionals, and there is something for everyone there. So we're talking about how we can help patients and caregivers have their absolute best quality of life as they go through this caregiving journey. And at the same time, we are inspiring proactive, preventive brain health strategies. We remain without cure. We remain without a really significant disease-modifying treatment for Alzheimer's or the related disorders. And so we are encouraging people to focus on prevention. So many things we can do. All the experts now agree. So we're out there with that message.
And Dr. Gilbert, this is for all levels of Alzheimer's and dementia. If you have a family member
Absolutely.
who was just diagnosed or someone who has been living with it for years.
Absolutely, and particularly for those who are newly diagnosed, the caregivers really need guidance on how they can begin to get help and support themselves. So one of our sessions will talk about caregiver resilience. How do you build resilience and maintain it throughout the caregiving journey? We'll be talking about the benefits of plant-based diets as protective and preventive for brain health for all, and how they can actually help someone who has a diagnosis. They can actually do better. We'll talk about how you can consider participating in a clinical trial. What does that evaluation look like? And should we be afraid of that evaluation? We should not, because the earlier we identify a problem, the better the outcome.
An opportunity not only to hear from experts, right, and the organization, but also for just to connect with people who are maybe going through the same exact thing as you, and you can relate. Let's talk about registration, because you said there's only a few spots left.
There's only a few spots left. Registration now is probably quickest by giving us a call at 561-683-2700.
And the conference is tomorrow in Palm Beach Gardens.
At the Marriott Palm Beach Gardens.
Okay, and we have a link on our website, WPBF.com, with all the information Dr. Gilbert just mentioned. So if you want to go there and just click on 25th Annual Education Conference, it'll all be there for you. Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Gilbert.
Thank you.